Doro Wat. Ethiopian stew. A main dish from Ethiopia. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Remove skin from the chicken and score each piece slightly with a knife so the sauce can penetrate. Step 2. In a large stew pot, melt the butter, then sauté the onions and garlic for 5 minutes. Add berbere, followed by tomato paste, stirring occasionally while the mixture simmers about 15 minutes. Step 3. A piece at a time, continue to simmer, the chicken, adding enough water to maintain the consistency of a thick soup. When chicken is half done, after about 20 minutes, put in the hard-boiled eggs. Cover and continue cooking until the chicken is tender. Step 4. The dish is ready when the oil has risen to the top. Add black pepper and let sit until slightly cooled. Step 5. Serve with injera. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.